Hello friends, welcome to Student Impulse. First of all, thanks for being in my YouTube channel. We are going to discuss about job openings in Chennai for various positions. This information purely collected from newspapers. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening at ICMR, National Institute of Epidemiology. This is like a walk-in interview. Written test will be there. Candidates are invited for walk-in interview, written test on various dates for the post of project scientist C, medical, non-medical, project technical officer A, data manager, project junior nurse on contract basis under various projects. For application for form and other details regarding qualification and experience, you can refer to the website www.nie.gov.in. The address details provided here, you can check with that. Next, there is a job opening at petrol chemical industry situated at Manali. They are required welfare officer qualification, Master of Labor Management or MBA or PGDMA and IR or MA Labor Management with 3 years of experience in labor and welfare management is required. Interested and eligible candidates can send their resume at the provided email ID before 21st October. Email ID provided here, you can check with that. Next, there is job openings. The Kanchipuram Tiruvallur District Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited. They require veterinary consultants purely on contract basis of 8 months with willingness to work in the rural areas of Kanchipuram and Tiruvallur districts. Qualification BVSC and AH. Eligible candidates can appear for walk-in interview on 28th 10 October 28th at 11 a.m. at their office KTDCMP Union Limited. There is address provided here, you can check with that. There's also a official email ID provided here, you can check with that. Next, there is a job openings at SRM Institute of Science and Technology. Invites applications from eligible candidates for the posts of Director HR, Director Corporate Relations and Career Services at Kathankulathur campus. Qualification must possess a minimum of postgraduate degree in management with relevant specialization, proven work experience of 10 years in similar capacity. You can share your resume at the provided email IDs. Last date to apply for this job profile is 22nd October. Next, there is a job opening at Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development. They have opening for register post. Applications are invited from Indian nationals possessing excellent academic record and relevant work experience for the post of register in Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development. Online application and the details of field of specialization, qualification, experience required, scale of pay, other allowance and instructions to the candidates for the above post is available in the institute's website www.rgniyd.gov.in. The online facility to apply will be available in the institute's website from October 14th to November 13th and will be closed on November 13th. Next, there is a job opening for SAR Healthline Private Limited. A reputed pharmaceutical company is looking for suitable persons to fill the below vacancies at Chennai location. Research associate and research assistant. The candidate should have a minimum of 2 years experience in research laboratory protocols. Sound academic background with a post graduation or graduation in life science is preferred. Remuneration will be commensurate with industry standards. Interested candidates please send in their resume to hrd@sarhealth.com. There is also official address details provided here. You can check with that. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. Next, there is a job opening for Serious Fraud Investigation Office. They are looking for private secretary. Number of vacancies 8. Place of posting will be Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai or Hyderabad. Salary payment will be 44,900 to 1,42,400. Interested and willing government employees may forward their application complete in all respect through proper channel in the prescribed format to the Director, Serious Fraud Investigation Office, second floor, Deen Dayal Antyodaya Bhavan, B3 Wing, CGO Complex, Lodhi Road, New Delhi. within 45 days from the date of publication of application in this advertisement in the employment news for details, etc. You can visit the official website address for the further details. Applications received after the due date or without ACRs, APRs, vigilance clearance or otherwise found incomplete will not be considered. Next, there is a job openings for various positions for leading NABL lab in Chennai. Calibration lab, head of calibration, 10 years of experience required. Senior and junior calibration engineers. Testing lab, calibration engineers with experience in using load cells for UTM, CTM, etc. Mechanical testing engineers, 5 to 10 years of experience required. Senior engineers for metallography lab. Chemical testing engineers for that metallography lab required. And generally without non-technical, sales and marketing manager is required with 10 years of experience in marketing. Attractive salary and allowances will be provided. You can share your resume at the provided email id achuthavaya3@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for various positions. Qualification 12th to any degree. Age limit 18 to 35. Apply for online and offline registration powered by Sunrise Group. Website address sunrisegroup.in. Email ID sunrisegroup@yahoo.com. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further details. Next, there is a job opening for marketing officer at commercial section, Royal Thai Consulate with 3 years of experience and degree in business marketing. Service minded, good computer skills. Photoshop design is a plus. Age limit is 28 years to 35 years. Salary offered 30,000 per month. You can share your resume at the provided email ID before October 23rd. There is a job opening for B Pharmacy graduate with 2 years of experience for a pharma product production. Interested candidate can contact on the given phone number. Next, there is a job opening for uh, Saragi, a leading uniform manufacturing company, looking for candidates for the following positions: business head, merchandisers, institutional sales manager, purchase manager. You can share your resume at the provided official email id hr@saraogi.in. Next, there is a job opening for medical field. Healthcare IT company requires pharma zonal sales manager. Pharma sales executives with 2 to 3 years of experience should be residing and working in Chennai center or north. Salary 5 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs per annum and plus incentives. Should be able to join immediately. You can share your resume at the provided email id jobs@voolsko.com. Next, there is a job opening for marketing and sales executive with experience in brand or channel building, exposure to interior design or real estate preferred, market competitive salary and sales bonus offered. Location is OMR. You can share your resume at the provided email id vivodezgns@gmail.com. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel for more updates. If you have any questions or queries, please ask in comments.